Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and then select call settings. Here smoothly click on call blocking and decline with message. And to add some number to your blacklist, just click on block numbers. And now by tapping on plus, you can pick some contacts to block, something from call log, or enter a new number, and this is what I will do. Just enter the number, click on block, and then you will no longer receive any calls or messages from this number. If you would like to block some contacts, smoothly tap on plus, select contacts, and then choose the contact that you would like to block. Click on done. And that's it. As you can see, those numbers are blocked now and you will not receive any calls or messages from them. If you would like to remove some number from your blacklist, just click on the bin icon and then mark it. Click on remove, confirm that you would like to remove it, and as you can see now your blacklist is empty, so everyone will be able to contact you. So this is it. This is how you can block a number, block a caller on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.